Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a little bit of Red Dead Redemption 2. Quite excited for this one. Game I played personally myself quite a few times that I put on the channel. I know some of you might like it as well. Already kind of went through. So some bits I already know, but nonetheless it's one of my favourite games of all time. If you're new here, I'd love it if you could stick around. You know, by all means, if you want to like, comment, subscribe, please do if you enjoy the video. And besides that, let's get into it. Graphics in this game are incredible. I don't know about you guys, but if you've got a PC, this is one of the first games that I went and played when I got my PC, and it was just mesmerising. Oh. Red Dead Redemption 2. I do have the Ultimate Edition version of the game as well, so there's some extra content and stuff you get with that one.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There! Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
You know, I don't know if everyone watched the... I can't remember what it's called. It's Outdoor Boys. It's like a YouTube channel. And this bloke, he goes around in like different environments like Alaska and stuff. It looks incredible. I could not survive in Alaska. Just trying to survive in the snow would be shit.
Bring him in here!
Oh, thinking about it.
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
I think he might be gone. Might be a goner.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we're gonna ride out and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, Get yourselves warm. Stay strong. Stay with me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh.
Hey, you need horses?
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son. We need you strong.
Okay.
Oh,
Come on.
God, I love the
let's
snow.
go.
Ain't sure what we're gonna
It is
find
beautiful.
out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon. Careful.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just doing some things on my side as well.
Can't believe we lost Davy, too.
He's the last one, Arthur.
That snow.
More. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter.
Wait, is that someone coming towards us?
A horse?
You up ahead. Who's there?
No, it's a man. Turns out.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Both of them calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Always.
The man don't seem like the nicest.
Hey! Have
Little
you
John.
seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
You'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Move up, Arthur. I'll cover the rear.
God. I speak to him? Oh, I can.
You run into anybody else?
I reckon we're the only ones crazy enough to be out in this, Morgan.
Yeah, well,
Okay, I haven't played this game in a while. Did love it and it's an absolute favourite, but
Oh, so no,
need to
glad
remember
you're
certain
all right.
bits.
I was worried, Micah. Look, it's all gonna work out,
No.
Morgan. We lost a few folks, but that's just how it goes sometimes.
well, I'm glad you're feeling so good about it.
Where are all the others?
Old mining camp, back up the hill. Ain't much. Shelter.
Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just
God,
up
it's
ahead.
lovely. I wouldn't go down there. Cabin middle of the no, that screams danger.
Okay. Let's head down there.
It also screams risk. Both of which I'm not comfortable with. Health. Good, we got that old chestnut. Need to look out for the tonics, the pirate one, and there's another one, I can't remember what it's called.
Let me do the talking. We don't want to scare these folks.
I'm gonna go around the other way.
Someone's having fun in there.
You two,
It's a good,
get yourself out of
jolly
sight.
time.
One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than 3 nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind
Aye, aye,
the
Captain.
wagon in front.
Hello? He's gonna get shot.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Oh, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen.
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur.
dying on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem. Folks. There's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a body
cans of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
God.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
Think you should go now, buddy?
Now,
Okay, now.
I got one ready for you.
Nope.
top of the window.
Look around! You're gonna take these sons of bitches!
There we go.
See him, Arthur?
Come here. Oh, it's gone too far. We got him! I got him, Dutch! I shot him in the back!
I said I'd handle this.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here. Why?
Maybe same reason as us.
I love this
Go bring
game.
the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Yeah, you got it, Dutch.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food.
Photographs and supplies. Oh, oatcakes. Oh, because we love
You
oatcakes.
should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
I'll go. I'm gonna pick up all the fruit first. And all the beans.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here, too.
God darn
There's
O'Driscoll's.
a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours. Big old pool of blood on the floor here.
I saw.
Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Your medicine.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Upstairs bit. There is. Yeah.
I'm going to start
More
packing the
cakes.
horses. You keep looking.
Ammo. No, we like some ammo. Guns and ammo.
Grab anything you think we can use, then meet me out here.
Meat. Bread roll. I suppose scavenging off the plate probably isn't what we're at yet.
Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn.
Charge!
Sure.
Ow! Being set on fire. The bitch!
Well, he started it.
I'm gonna shoot you!
What's going on?
Oh,
Now, this guy just jumped me.
Oh, did he now?
yeah. Get him on the floor.
Bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet.
Grab him.
Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done.
I mean, we could kill him.
I don't know anything else. Please.
I'm gonna spare him because he'll follow us.
Spare.
I'll just beat him. That's not killing him, but at least that way he's not gonna come back to chase us. Do you have anything on you though? Oh no, never mind.
You're okay.
Shh. Calm it down, Senor Horse.
Easy. It's okay. You're okay, boy.
Level 1 bonding. Come on then, Mr. Horse. And a boy. Or girl. I actually don't know what you are.
Is that bastard still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. You need to hitch him. He's already skittish.
Where? Oh. Oh, someone's angry.
Michael, what the hell?
Oh.
Out in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool!
God.
Miss. Now, it is going to be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on.
Damsel in distress.
You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband,
Miss, you are safe now. And can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs.
He the one
my
dead
husband.
in the thing. House isn't standing no more. It's been warm though.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey everybody, Dutch is back!
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler. Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
I'm moaning. He's very moany, isn't he, Micah?
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. You?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're all...
I don't know about that. I get the feeling that not many people care.
The situation were reversed, and he looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know,
Another kid's happy
John was
about
headed
it.
up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Definitely not. Taking jabs at him. Oh, that storm is nasty. I'm genuinely thinking about getting a cup of tea because it's just I like it.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Yeah.
Spect
2
the camp.
hours ago, most.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
Go with him, I suppose.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Tracks go left.
Follow this.
Down here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right.
Despacio.
That snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
It's very snowy. Very snowy indeed.
Watch yourself. It's not very wide here.
Come on, boy.
Oh, come on, horse.
Horses are getting tired.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this,
Good.
Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
Do you know?
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
I'm hearing something. Probably John.
Up there!
Stuck, good old John. They can't go up there. Is it up there? No.
It's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think
Let's
we can go much further
go.
on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I grabbed that shotgun from your horse.
Oh.
Who knows what's up ahead? Down this way.
No, it's up ahead. Dead man's horse.
You sure about this?
I want to make it very clear. I'm probably going to fall off the end of this cliff.
Way.
Okay.
Careful here. Yeah, that we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Help me!
Drops down here.
Nope.
Watch yourself.
Oh,
It's slippery. Be careful.
that's slippery.
Stay low under here.
Oh. Mountains and shit.
Watch
Be a
your
very good
step.
friend.
It's real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Gap here. That sounds
There you go,
closer
over
now.
here.
Come on. We're coming, John.
But I wouldn't have let us make that jump. I would have fell on my ass.
Damn, it's cold.
How you doing?
I'm miserable. Been a tough few days.
I know. Here. Take a drink of that.
Thanks.
Alcohol.
Not designed for this snow.
Alcohol.
Let's keep moving then.
Roll the evidence.
Let's keep moving then.
That didn't do
Come
anything.
on. John, can you hear me?
John! Marston, you hear me?
Oh,
That's John. We're coming.
which ledge? Oh, a mini map thing. There you are, Johnny boy.
Alright! Hot down, Marston!
Found him.
He's down here.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good, neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well, we can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't?
He has been eating a mold shit.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You alright?
I don't think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Been eaten by a wolf. I don't think he's alright. And the wolves are back.
You see that on the ridge?
Punch one of them.
I'll distract him while you get to the horses. Go! Draw them off.
Okay, here we go, John. We'll leave them to Arthur. We'll get you out of here.
Oh shit.
Distract them, Arthur! Shout! Shoot! Do something!
Ow, you bastards!
This way.
You prick!
Draw them off us, Arthur.
There we go, we got him.
Okay,
They're big
let's get
wolves.
going before any more of these bastards show up.
No, that's not my horse. That is my horse. Let's see. Oh, come on.
Come on then. Skip.
I don't like that. I'm gonna go back to the pistol.
Ha!
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella? Got bit by a dog. Died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die.
It's these.
Not yet.
Got enough medicine stuff.
Coming down the hill.
Oh, yes! Shit. Shit. Yes. Yeah, got that one. And the others.
Down on the right. More coming in on the left. Get the hell out of here.
Get the hell out of here! Get out!
Got another one. Gonna get in headshots.
See any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
You trying to bring us trouble?
You still with us, Marston?
Just all the trouble away.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. We should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead?
I mean, how do you even navigate in this weather?
That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here?
I don't think they're coming out. Well,
We
no, they
need
might
some
be.
help! We need some help here!
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Oh, come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
Got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that? That's civilization.
I know.
That's
The
for
west
times.
is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Moggy.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Wow. Then, ladies and gentlemen, that'll be it for today's episode of Red Dead Redemption 2. Hope you enjoyed it. I've got to be honest, I still love this game, you know, even if I haven't played it for a while. I just love it. The gameplay is smooth, everything's really fluid, and it just looks great. By all means, the video will carry on and continue for more, but if you're still going to this long, thank you very much for watching.